This is our Thai visa information section. We provide answers to frequently asked questions about visa requirements in Thailand. Stay up to date on the latest visa regulations by subscribing to our channel. I'm Alisa, a visa specialist from New Stamford School. Today, we'll be discussing the latest updates on the Mae Sai Border Crossing between Thailand and Myanmar. If you have proof of vaccination on paper, crossing the Mae Sai border is relatively straightforward. You'll need to stamp out of Mae Sai, purchase the 500 baht 2-week border pass, stamp in and out of Burma, and then turn around and stamp right back into Thailand. It's important to note that you must purchase the 500 baht border pass, as there is no way to cross the border for free. However, if you don't have proof of vaccination on paper, you'll need to go to a nearby hospital or clinic to get a negative COVID-19 test. Be aware that the 7/11 tests are not accepted. It's essential to keep in mind that the situation at the Mae Sai border crossing can change at any time. Therefore, always check the latest information before planning your border crossing. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you found this episode helpful, and we wish you a safe and hassle-free trip to Thailand.